Hello, my name is Jenny Smith. I'm a networking strategist, founder of Networking Know-Who, and welcome to this week's 2-minute networking tip of the week. So the tip of the week this week is ask questions. Often people get really hung up on the social etiquette and issues when it comes to going to networking events, and that's remotely or in person. So a really easy way to get around that is just simply asking people questions. They're at a networking event as well. They're there to talk to you. So you start the conversation and make it easier for them by asking lots of wonderful open-ended questions. So what is it you do? Tell me about your job. Tell me about your business. Tell me about your career path. Tell me about when you went last on holiday. Not that anyone's done that for a while, but you know what I mean. Open-ended questions give people the chance to talk about themselves, and everyone loves to talk about themselves. So they'll think you are fantastic. When they're answering, make sure though that you listen to what they're saying. Listen to what they're telling you and tailor your response. Ask more questions based on what they've just said. They could have said something really fascinating, but if you're off, daydreaming about what takeaway to get tomorrow night, then you're going to be missing out on valuable information from them that could lead to opportunities, valuable information for you to learn from them and learn about them. And that's what networking is all about, building these relationships. And showing interest in what people are saying really makes them feel important and feel valued, and they'll think that you're a great person because of that. Again, make sure that you're really paying attention. A really good exercise is to pretend that after someone's finished talking, you have to then convey exactly what they said to another person, and that's going to really make you listen and pay attention. So showing interest and showing that you think that they are interesting people. And finally, while they're talking, thinking about ways in which you could help them, add value to them. If they're talking about their business or their career path, they're looking for new opportunities, they're looking for introductions, how can you help these people? Who could you introduce them to? What doors could you open? And how can you add value to them? So there you go. That is this week's 2-minute, wonderful, friendly, all about listening, having a conversation, 2-minute networking tip of the week.